Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to add Shareit widget on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is press and hold on a screen to see the widget below. Okay, tap widget. In widget, you can find the widget you want to add to your home screen by sliding to the left or to the right. And okay guys, after you find the widget you want to add to your home screen, okay, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add Shareit widget. And okay guys, here there are three widgets of Shareit. Okay, the Shareit small, the Shareit medium, and the Shareit large. And okay guys, I decide to add the Shareit small. Okay, you'll have to do to add the Shareit small widget to your home screen is tap and hold the Shareit widget and slide to set the position. And after you set the position, release it. And that's it. We have successfully add Shareit widget on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.